Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we're covering Monte Rosa Therapeutics, ticker glue, a clinical stage biotech pioneering molecular glue degraders for difficult to drug targets. As of January 7, 2026, glue is trading around $16.50 in early session, building on yesterday's close at $16.01. That's up over 11% on heavy volume exceeding 3 million shares. Major catalyst. Just hours ago, Monte Rosa announced positive interim phase 1 data for MRT 8102, its NEK7 directed degrader. After 4 weeks of dosing, median HSCRP levels dropped 85%, with 94% of high risk patients falling below the key 2 mgl inflammation threshold. Strong early signals for potential in cardiovascular and inflammatory diseases. Analysts are highlighting the platform's validation and broader pipeline momentum, including ongoing MRT 2359 studies. Glue remains a high risk, high reward biotech name. Definitely one to watch. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. If you found this update helpful, subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids, and comment your thoughts on glue below. See you in the next one. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today, and I'll see you in the next one.